In the T-SQL programming language, the lower and upper functions are used to convert string expressions to lowercase or uppercase. The parameter passed to the lower or upper function can be a string expression or a column with a string data type. Let's understand better how lower and upper functions work by making an example in SQL Server. The lower function converted the string expression to lowercase. The upper function converts the string expression to uppercase. Only string expressions are not sent to the lower and upper functions. We can also pass a column with a string data type to the function. Let's do an example about it. I am creating a table with columns ID, first name and last name. I am adding a few records to the table. I can see the data in the table using the select command. I will use the upper and lower functions on the first and last name columns. I explicitly specify the columns in the select command. I'm passing the first name column to the upper function. Thanks to the upper function, I converted all the data in the first name column to uppercase. Let's try the lower function. All data in the first name column has been converted to lowercase. Let's send the last name column to the upper function. All data in the last name column has been converted to uppercase. Let's try the opposite. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.